Hello everyone, I'm Akshita Rao here. I'm a life transformation coach and a trainer. And today I want to talk to you about something very interesting. It's one challenge that I'm sure that you have faced or are still facing in your life. And that is the subtle difference between feeling inspired and feeling demotivated. And this is a major issue that most of us face because we're constantly battling between the both. So continue watching. We all have tasted some form of victory, felt victorious. No, you don't have to pick up a World Cup medal or some kind of an award to feel victorious. But I bet most of you who watch this video have this one thought which came to your mind. Ah, I've not won anything in my life. Damn it. This. This is what we're going to talk about today. A false understanding of what victories look like and how we've treated them with utmost disrespect. Most of us are running the race of life to taste this form of victory at some point in their lives. And while that's okay, I'd like to tell you that you probably won't. Ask me why? Go on, ask me why. Because you're an ungrateful fuck. That's why. Or to be much nicer, you don't know what real victories look like. All you know is the glorified version of what victories look like. And you never care to acknowledge all the secret victories. What I mean when I say secret victories is basically all the little things that you have been achieving all your life. Right from the moment when you woke up from the bed and decided to go to the gym and take care of your health. Right from the moment when you earned your first dime and got your parents something from it. Right from the moment you decided to write your first blog post. Right from that moment when you decided to stay back home and do something productive than getting wasted with your friends. These are the victories that the world does not glorify or nobody talks about. Because in the end, it's either Grammy or Granny, right? Can we take a moment and realize that everything that we define as victories today are actually given out by us and defined by us? There was no universal definition to what success or victory looked like. We gave them a definition. Let that sink in. And now, no matter how much other people rave and persist that this is how victory should look like, it does not change anything. Because if you believe in that, then you, by default, believe that life is a race. I believe that everybody is running this race in life that nobody started. It's like one day they just woke up, opened their eyes, looked around, and thought to themselves, oh, okay, let me start running along with these Looney Tunes. I strongly believe that the subtle difference between keeping yourself inspired and feeling demotivated is acknowledging your victories in silence. All those little things that the world isn't going to cheer you on, but one that you will have to cheer yourself upon. And that's just how it is. And for most of us who go through the constant struggle of keeping ourselves inspired and battling demotivation while we're going forward for our goals, I believe that inhibiting this one unspoken skill of acknowledging your victories in silence is going to take you forward. At least that's what it did to me. I'm still a long way ahead from reaching my goals, but to come so far from everything just being a small seed of idea in my head and battling internal and external circumstances each and every single day is this beautiful skill of acknowledging my victories in silence, which got me here. Now, I have empathy about the fact that it can feel really, really tough just being your own cheerleader and just cheering yourself up on this. But while I do understand that, what you need to understand is why we even feel this way in the first place and why we are conditioned like this in the first place. It's because our minds have been conditioned by this definition of success, which is Success is when the world knows who you are, appreciates who you are, and glorifies you. And that's the whole problem. It is a big deal and a big problem because today attaining gratification has become harder than ever. And sometimes I believe that this is the reason why most of us are depressed and demotivated today. This constant need for validation and to feel the dopamine in our minds is exactly what's holding us back in the first place. So there's one of these things that my mentor taught me, Afin Khan, and which is something which absolutely struck a chord with me, is the secret to success is happiness. The secret to success is happiness. Now, the route to happiness is to feel appreciation. So now you tell me, if you're going to leave the route to your happiness to external situations in your life and external factors in your life, are you even in control of your own life? No. So forget the world and appreciate yourself up on what you believe are your victories. Because in the end, what you consider as your ultimate big victory is truly only the sum of a lot of small victories. So change your perception and offer yourself gratification and continue acknowledging your own victories, even when nobody is seeing them. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and let me know what you think on the comments below. Bye bye.